Yeah. Matter of fact, I'm about to run that motherfucking verse out riding on that little Kim beat. You heard me? That bitch go hard. Yeah, when I just got on running a little something, you heard me?
Hey, this for all you niggas that think we can't really rap. You hear me? That a nigga, you just thinking like a nigga can just be in the studio playing this shit. Man, that nigga really go hard, bro. You better ask about it.
Check it out. I think I came on a business something like this. Look. I keep that out. I be in deadly situations. Remember when I was naked, nigga tried to come and take me. I promised myself, next time it happen, I'ma turn the table. Scary pussy fake, I ain't neither one of them labels. Leave you with a label. Laid up in the morgue on your back looking at the stars. Bitch, you tripping, I go hard. I go hard. I ain't gonna run the whole burger that's going down on something, you heard me?
No, hold on.
But you know what's down with it.
Look, I'm gonna give you a sample, you hear me? This for you little potheads out there, all you weed smokers, you hear me? This for y'all right here, you hear me? Look, it's coming real soon. Look, how the bitch go? I remember like yesterday, my doggy John introduced us. I was digging her little swagger, so I had to pursue it. Shit, her body was right, this Swiss and fragrance was so amazing. I ain't lying, she mind blowing, and sometimes she be breathtaking. So I asked her what's her name. She told me it's Mary Jane. She said she got a real love that'll drop a nigga insane. So I hit her with that line, like, shout it, will you be mine? She put a nigga on his feet when the nigga be on his grind. Love at first sight, she let me hit it from behind, let me get hot for a little job, but she one of a kind. But my nigga say she ain't shit, cause she let everybody hit. Plus she go both ways, but I love this little bitch, love that little feeling that she give me like I'm floating on the moon, and when she gone, I miss ass, but she be back, she my boo. Call myself leaving alone, but I love Too Strong forever, me and Mary Jane till the day that I'm gone. Yeah, that's what the real pie is right here. That ain't nothing but a little sample here.
2 BLT exclusives, you know what I'm saying? And we finna keep doing this. We finna make noise on this motherfucking internet.
All day long.
We thugging the streets, not on the net. This just us, bitch.
Bitch, and I'm spitty, and I'm a bumpy face of her. I drank the bottle with the bumps on that bitch, you heard me? See that bitch, Seam Gin, extra dry, you heard me? Shout out to Joseph E.C.